talking, I don't sweat that. If they don't trust me either, I respect that. But she need down the ride, oh, I bet that. Ooh, I slide for my people, don't forget that. Don't forget that, don't forget that. Ooh, I slide for my people, don't forget that. Don't forget that, don't forget that. Ooh, I slide for my people, don't forget that.
Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. My name is JH. How y'all doing, Postal family? Is everybody good? Is everybody cool? Everybody clean? Are you crisp? Are you feeling irie today? Yeah, y'all like that ice blue, baby. Ice blue irritang. Y'all want one of these ice blue joints? Y'all make sure you hit Tina up in the video description. She customize it for you. You zimmy? Woohoo! And if you ain't like that, we got another one for you. Woo! Fellas, if you feel like being a cowboy, let's make it happen. You want to keep that sun out your eyes, make it happen. Couldn't. Let's talk. First, I kind of like this one because I can see, sorry. There it is. Check out my first pinned comment from my other channel. Please subscribe. I'm putting some little things on there slowly but surely. Long Beach mail processing facility closing and eliminating 257 jobs. 200. That's HUNNIT. 100. Now, it's a good thing. You're probably like, Jay, what the hell are you talking about? It's a good thing. Follow me now. A mail processing and logistics contractor for the U.S. Postal Service that has filed for bankruptcy protection last year said it will close its Long Beach facility, resulting in 257 layoffs. In September 14th, letter to the State Employment Development Department, Sacramento-based Matheson Flight Extender said staffing cuts at such and such are expected to happen by November 13th. And right before the holiday season, that's like less than a month away. Although that timeline could be extended. You're probably saying, damn, Jay, we don't care. It's good for them. Give it a second. The planned layoff is expected to be permanent. An attorney for the company said in the EDD notice, we expect the site to close permanently. Matheson provides ground handling operations, aircraft ground support, terminal handling, and transportation logistics for flight operations. The Long Beach layoffs will affect 119 material handlers, 84 forklift operators, and 12 supervisors, among others. Matheson also alerted EDD of pending closures and layoffs in facilities in San Leandro, 72 employees, and Sacramento, 124 employees. Those layoffs are scheduled for December. The company didn't provide a reason for the closures in its EDD notices, but the information from industry publication FreightWave shows Matheson filed for Chapter 11 bankruptcy in May of 2022. In the time of filing, Matheson listed its assets and liabilities between $10 million and $50 million with numerous creditors. Matheson at the time operated 38 small to mid-sized sorting facilities and act as an interface between air and truck transport of mail and packages, referred to as a terminal handling service, according to court filings. Additional information shows the company planned to cut more than 600 jobs by October 15th at facilities in Atlanta and Brandywine, Maryland. Matheson also filed paperwork in late August, said it's planned to close its sorting facility by the end of October in Chicopee, Mass., and eliminating another 305 jobs. Representatives with Matheson could not be reached to provide an overall count of the company's layoffs. Let's talk. I can't see. Now I can see. Good. I don't know what DeJoy doing, but it's good. Okay? It's good. These contractors don't need our work. They don't need our work. I mean, I don't think it's good for anybody to lose their job, but we, the United States Postal Service, I don't represent the Postal Service, nor am I speaking on behalf of the Postal Service. I'm speaking on behalf of my fellow co-workers. That's all. Just opinions. Anyway, now that I got that out the way, yo, we need our work back. You Zimmer, we need our work back. Can you fathom that all this time, and this is just one small piece of a big puzzle that Jay's been trying to figure out for a long time. Think about it. Everybody's been saying, where's the mail? Where's the mail? Where's the mail? And even my ignorant ass said, ain't nobody taking our mail. We never drop it off anywhere else. You know why? Because sometimes it just never makes it to us. A lot of the mail that they're handling is the mail from, mass companies, huge companies. And it's like Allstate, things of that nature. So typically we don't, I forgot what you guys call it, but typically we don't handle that mail on a consistent basis. But now, if they are closing those facilities, that means the work has to go somewhere. The work has to go towards, obviously, where it belongs. They're not just going to take it from one contractor and give it to another, I hope. And if somebody can shed some light on this, that'd be great. Feel free to leave your comment. But that's a lot of work. Think about what I just said. They have mail something, basically mail handlers, forklift operators, and processing people. Think about that. The machines that process the stuff, all that work is going to go somewhere. I don't know where and I don't know when, but it's time that we start taking back our work. So regardless of the title looking like clickbait, no, that's exactly what the title was to me. Long Beach mail processing facility closing and eliminating 257 jobs. I read that, I'm saying, well, damn, we're going to lose some people. Then I read a little bit further and said, oh yeah, they losing people. We're going to gain some work. Whenever you gain work, what they're doing with 257 people, we're probably going to take about 1,000 to do. Post office, we just stretch stuff out. Seriously, that's a good thing. What y'all think? That's a good thing? I mean, maybe I'm crazy, maybe I'm loco, but I'm definitely iced out in my icy blue, baby. That had nothing to do with the video. I just wanted to say that because I think the blue looks really good. Tina doing a thug dizzle. Make sure you text her and get your custom made joints, because even mine custom made on the back. These are reflectors. You might be able to see it, maybe not. These are reflectors. Yeah, reflections. So yeah, reflective material. All right, and this is actually from somebody else. His information is in the video description below as well. And with all that being said, please, like I said, check out the pinned comment, check out my other channel, and yeah, y'all have yourself a decent rest of your day. I hate to give bad news all the time, but I think this is good news. I could be wrong, but I may be right. Billy Joel from the 1980s. Act like you know. Just gave my age out, huh? We out.
Unexpected expenses stressing you out? Get the money you need now with Loans for Feds, a program designed specifically for federal employees. Bad credit is not a problem. Application is fast and easy with same-day approvals. Apply now.